Welcome back to Crazy Bill's Garage. Today we're going to take a look at this ArmorAll carpet and upholstery cleaner. I have my seat here from the, Subaru Forester. And it's got some dirty spots, you can see. Hopefully you can see through the camera. You can see that. Now I'm going to do half of it. And you can really see right here. I'm going to do half of this seat with this cleaner, and we're going to see how well it actually works. It's pretty dirty. I don't know if the camera is showing it as well, but let's just say there were some people sitting in this seat that were spilling quite a few things. And this isn't a terrible cleaner. I'm first time using this. ArmorAll carpet and upholstery cleaner. A deep cleaning foam with stain removal power. Well, that's nice. Let's get a little farther out. Now, instructions. I already read them over. I can do it again, though. Or can I? It says shake well. Hold can upright and spray liberally on hard surface. On hard surface? Yeah, that's what it says. Carpet upholstery cleaner. Let foam for 30 to 41 seconds. For light stains. And 1 to 2 minutes for heavy stains. So I'm going to spray this thing and then scrub the crap out of it pretty well. And then wipe it with a dry cloth. See, I don't have a stand here or anything today. I got to hold the camera. But I've been wanting to do this to see how good it works. I got her tied into the table here with some screws, so it ain't going to move on me. Right there. So, I'm going to shake her up, and then we're going to get at her. So, I got her shaken up pretty good. So, let's give a spray here. Oh, it does spray good. Good. Oh, wow. This stuff does go on there, I gotta tell you. That ain't too bad. Oh, I see. And I'm spraying the whole thing because the whole thing needs a good cleaning. And I'm gonna scrub her and scrub her. And hopefully I'll get whatever it is out of it. And she'll be clean on one side. And, well, I don't want her to be dirty on the other side, but I'll have to do that side later. Wow. It sprays better when you get the can kind of at an angle. Let's let her sit for 2 minutes. So, there we go. It's been about 2 minutes. And I think I need some more right here where it was really dirty on those corners. And I'm going to start giving her a scrubby here. See if this helps. Well, it must be helping because I can see everything's turning brown. You can see that? Yeah. A lot of drinks, at least I'm hoping it's just drinks were spilled on here. That's what I'm hoping. And yeah, it could be. I don't want to suggest what it might be. I'm just going to scrub it and hope for the best. You know? And then give her a good wipe down. That sure is gross over here. Well, maybe we can wipe that off. Hopefully. And I'm supposed to give her a good wipe down with a clean cloth, which I have. And we're going to see if it looks any better. Yes, it does look better, by the way. It does. But I think I'm going to have to put this outside for a while to dry and see how well it does. Let's use another one here. Give her another wipe. I don't know where I was pointing the camera there, but I'm sure I'll see that in editing. You're like, what was I doing? Great cameraman. It's hard to do things like that. Hold the camera where you want to put it. Well, I think I'm going to put this outside now. Hopefully it'll dry in the sun. And then we can take a look at it. Here we are an hour later, and it is dry. You can see here. It's gotten much cleaner, I gotta say. It's not looking too bad. So, it pretty well did its job. Looking okay. So, yeah. I was kind of shocked when I looked at it, and it cleaned a lot of the spots out of here. A lot of the spots, wow. It was very spotty. And, well, I'm quite happy with the results. So, I'm going to say this ArmorAll carpet and upholstery cleaner did a pretty good job. Yeah. Only took half a can to do this one side. Maybe not. Maybe a quarter of the can. Took about a quarter of the can, so. But it looks clean, and I'm happy with it. And hey, leave a comment if you guys have used this ArmorAll carpet and upholstery cleaner, or just leave a comment anyways. I was happy to do this video to get this thing cleaned up and looking much nicer. So, thanks for watching.